Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to see router history on Android phone. So if you want to see your Wi-Fi or router history, you can do it on Android operating system. All you have to do is just go to the Wi-Fi option. If you use a regular use Wi-Fi, here you can go to the advanced settings and you can go to the Wi-Fi data usage here. As you can see, you can overview mobile data usage that monitored by your phone. Here mostly I'm using Instagram and Chrome and YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. This is for the detail. Total 37 gigabyte. I'm using the data via Wi-Fi. And also, if you want to see a detailed history, you can go or you can install a third-party application, or you can copy your a IP address or router. You can tap on your Wi-Fi connection, try to search the IP address here and copy if you can, or if you have a router option, you can a copy also and go to the website of your Wi-Fi router. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the text button below. See you in the next video.